Located on Big Foot Wallace Trail in Livingston, Texas, you can own this 0.22-acre lot for only $200 down. This beautiful property is just minutes from Lake Livingston, perfect for boating and fishing. It's 19 miles to downtown Livingston and 40 miles to Cleveland. Electricity and water are available but need installation, and a septic tank is required with a permit from Polk County. Great for RVs, mobile homes, or manufactured homes. Property taxes are just $48.50 per year with no POA fees. Choose owner financing, and taxes will be included in your monthly payment. At AGT Properties, we make it easy for anyone to own land in Polk County, Texas. Make your dreams come true today. Choose AGT Properties. Investments for a lifetime.